Hi guys, Planet X here, bringing you another paranormal investigation tonight. We are at the Engine and Tender pub tonight to see if there is any paranormal activity going on here. And meant to be a demon and poltergeist here. So hopefully we will capture it. Stay tuned, keep your eyes peeled. It's going to be a good one. Peace out. Hi guys, Planet X here, bringing you another paranormal investigation tonight. We are at the old pub called the Engine and Tender. Very derelict pub. As you can see, it's not a used pub anymore. But hopefully we are going to get some nice activity here. Stay tuned. you stay with the... Can you stop that now, please? Can you make that one go off?
John, try over in there.
Where do you want to go? Try taking some of the equipment in there.
Yeah, over, right there.
Here?
Yeah.
Right. I'm just going to go and do my walk round. Okay?
Just gonna have a look at this.
Well, tell me I put the memory card in.
Yeah, you did. Why is this gone red?
Because that's recording.
Oh, right.
Why's it gone red?
Amateur. I am.
I haven't even got the microphone on.
It's on now.
No, it's not plugged in yet, is it?
No.
Doesn't matter. What's that say? Look.
Tripod. These card is not detected. You put it in the wrong way.
Still not detecting it.
Oh.
Format.
Unsupported system. Do you want
To format.
to format? Yeah.
Fuck's sake. It's... You getting it?
I think so.
Is that you making it? Can you stop that? Can you stop doing that now? My phone's gone flat. Something there, Mum.
Yeah, 'cause I've gone cold.
And me.
Shivery cold.
Yeah. Hello? Can you stop that for us?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Can you make the other one go off, please?
It's not formatting the fucking...
Can you make the music box go off again?
Can you make the other REM pod go off? Can you make her whistling sound? Oh, it's got really cold, isn't it?
Yeah. You haven't plugged in the...
This fucking camera.
I'll take this one.
Come on, format.
take this one.
No. You're sat here with that. If you want to come and make yourself known again by well, this battery's full.
What's it say now?
Voluti indesideravi test. Dona mi sapientiam et gratiam.
Right, guys. So there's only one person here with me, and she's behind the camera, and that's Mandy. No. Right, do you want to make yourself known? Where's that other meter? Where's the meter? The square meter.
Did you put one up in there?
No. The one that lights up. It's not up there. Not there. Right. Plug that phone in. So plug that into the phone. Into the bottom of the phone. Hold the phone.
Show them, I don't know.
Right, can you stop that now? Stop touching that. Stop it now, please. The camera's not working. That'll go on.
You take this one off and use this one.
No, you can keep it on there. Right, you can speak through this device. Anyone, any spirits here that want to communicate? You've got your chance now. Come on. You want a slant there, Mum? You want a bit of a slant? Okay. Can you talk through this device, please? Make yourself known. Make yourself known. Make yourself known, spirit. Come on. We're here to talk with you tonight. Aren't you here? You don't want to speak to us. You hiding? You hiding in there? Yeah, you are hiding. What's your name, spirit? Can you shut that door? If you don't want us in here, shut that door. What's your name, spirit? Watch it not take this memory card. Hello, spirit. Is that you I can see on the camera? Come on, you're a lot more speaking than normally. That's gone off. That's not me. You're making the cameras go funny, spirit. Yep. Making my other
And you're making me go cold again. All of a sudden, I've gone cold again.
Have you?
Yeah.
You're not touching anything, Mum. You round the room.
Yeah.
You know what you're doing. You know it. You missed that up there, that orb that just flew above her head.
Hmm.
There's another one just come up there. Can you make one of them machines go off again, please? What is over there?
Now I can see the white line.
What? Where's my little red lights there?
No, on the white wall behind.
Yeah, there's a little red light on the table there.
No.
Hold on, hold that. Okay, I think we'll move in towards towards the thingy a little bit. I'm going to turn this camera off. Looks like we've only got the one camera.
We'll leave this here.
Yeah, just leave it there. Show yourself, Spirit. You hold that a minute like that. Do you want to talk to us, Spirit? Talk to us, Spirit. Talk to us, Spirit. What the hell was that?
Oh God.
Hello? Bye. You in here? Can you push that door? Can you push this door?
John.
What?
Grab hold of that. Something's touched me on the head. I'm not really not joking. You are not allowed to touch me.
If you want to touch me, touch me. Make me know you're there. Are you here? Can you make yourself known? No? Oh, shit.
What was that went down the stairs? It just frightened me.
I don't know, I think it was a glass, but I wasn't recording, I didn't get it.
Oh, Christ.
I'm going to try an EVP, so hold that. Because this don't seem to be reacting to much.
Well, that was definitely something. And something over there then.
Chuck it back.
It threw at you. Throw something.
Make yourself known, Spirit. Make yourself known. You make yourself known. You touch this. You touch it. You're not very talkative tonight, are you? I've got more ghosts in my house. Right guys, we're going to do a couple of EVPs, but we've got to stay dead quiet, because when I do the EVP, use the mic. That's a good idea. And I forgot the EVP. What the fuck? I forgot the other EVP, Mum. The silver one. I thought I put it in. No, that's the charging block. That's no good. Come on, make it go off. Oh, I didn't put it in back in after I did the thingy, did I?
Hmm.
Do you make a sound? Let me know you're here. Push that door shut. Does it feel nothing here, Mum?
Not now, I don't. It's not even cold now.
Come on, Spirit. Where are you?
It's gone home from the pub. Should we call it a night then? Just so I said that, I've gone chills all across my feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll try one more thingy box. But we'll have that light tonight. Over the night.
I think I ought to be filming myself because I can feel something touching me on the head again.
Can you try that? That.
John,
Roll it back.
John,
What?
something's touching the back of my head again.
What's that?
Can you see anything?
Hello?
Can you see anything?
No.
Probably should be filming the back of my hair.
Can you make that go off? Make it go green. Make the lights light up.
Xbox. Gaming. FM.
Make yourself known. Make yourself known. If there's any spirits here, can you say I'm here? You're here, spirit. Make one of my balls go off. Light up. That goes off. And then you can set that off. You can set that off like that. There's another cat ball on the outside of there. On the outside. Spirit, are you here? Can you make that go off again, please? Thank you. Can you set it off again? Set it off again, please. Thank you. Can you make the other one go off? Can you make the other REM pod go off, please? The one with the red light that's sat on all the time.
What's that mean now?
Right. Use this one for no and the other one for yes. Will you go over to the other one, please? Thank you. The other one's going off now. The other temperature sensor. Is it a little bit too bright in here for you, is it? Do you want me to turn off all the lights? Go to the other one if you want me to turn off the other lights. The one with the green light. Right guys, the REM pod's going off. As you can see, the REM pod's going off. And then the temperature sensor on the other REM pod's going off too. That's showing it's dropping in temperature in here.
It's gone really cold.
Can you come and touch this one over here, please? This one? This one's a lot better. Can you touch this one, please? Can you touch it? Right, let's go and see if there's any EMF over here.
John, I think it's more behind me all the time. I really do, because I'm getting a cold blast.
Guys, it's going off. Wow.
I'm just moving.
Why? Mum, it's over here.
I know, told you it's behind me all the time. It's really, really behind me all the time. It keeps on touching me on my head.
You in here?
No, it's back in here. It's in here. Spirit, you are in here, because I can feel you. Stop touching. You have no rights to touch me. Stop touching my head. Yeah, touch the RAM pods.
Is there any spirits here? Make yourself known. You in the corner here? You were? Yeah, keep it over that. Down the bottom. going off in there?
What was that?
What?
Something banged in there again. No, to the other side. Where's the... That side? No, this side. Not this side.
Can you make this go off?
I just did a minute ago when I was stood there. What are you standing
Stood
for?
there.
It keeps on coming to me all the time because I'm freezing cold.
It keeps trying to go to my mum. So I reckon mum should do the talking because it seems to respond a lot better to my mum.
Spirit, can you please touch one of the bowls or the round pots? Just touch them, they will not hurt you. I'm not here to disrespect you or hurt you.
Mum, is there a bat in here?
No.
Because I just saw it.
Alright, no. I am not here to disrespect you. Please, will you touch one of the round pots? Instead of standing right
It's somewhat dark here, isn't it? Make it go off if you're somewhat evil. Make it go to red if you're evil. I just saw you move in that light. Is there an evil here, is there? And you don't like talking to us? Because you know that I've got the...
Okay, so you don't think... Will you leave me alone? Freaking me out now. Why do you come to me? Is it because you like females? Why do you keep on coming to me? Is it like you like females and not me? You like females. You do not like males.
Don't you like me, Spirit?
Do you think that you can be a threat to me? Are you a female? Are you... What's going on?
Pod.
What?
The pod.
Are you female? Let's go again. You're a male. Alright.
Make that door go off.
Okay, you're right by me again. Yes, I can feel that your body's gone cold. Where's the camera? It's just here. It is just here.
Pod. Yeah. Wow.
Do you want to speak to me? No. What is your name, Spirit?
Can you make the REM pod go off, please, Spirit? Can you make that REM pod go off? Setting that off there. Can you set this off, please, Spirit?
It's jumped then.
Can you set that off? Or you can set this one off like this.
Why does it go to red, this one?
I don't know. Can you make it go off again, please?
Are you trying to attack me? Hold on the face. Are you trying to attack me? Can you go? You are trying to attack me. Why? I'm not hurting you. I mean you no harm.
Is there evil here? Real bad cold. Fucking hell. Is that you? Can you make
Yes.
this wobble?
Yeah.
Prove that you're there, Spirit. Come on, prove that you're there. Yeah, that's no proof. Come on. Make a sound, make a bang. If you can do this back. What? It's hurting.
Oh, terrible pain in it.
Can you make that go up over here on the side without me touching it? Okay, spirits, you're not going to make yourself known. We'll say goodnight to you then and goodbye. And you can't follow us. You follow us at all.
You remain here.
You remain here.
And we'll come and see you again. We don't get everything together now. Sign out.
No, I'll keep it running.
Right.
What are you doing?
Spirit, are you attacking me?
Did you just set that off?
No.
Guys, Planet X here. Sorry I didn't end the video properly last night. My mum was getting attacked, whatever it was, in that pub. Her back was completely bad. It attacked all her back, scratched her and stuff. So that's why we ended the video. We got out of there a bit quick. So I hope you do enjoy the video, guys. There was some activity and loads of orbs, but I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.